Hey Commies Adventures fans, today we are playing the Priest game. It's called Copper. It's a fun game. It's on the App Store and this one's good, Tracy. Yep, 200. Yes, I see. See, I'm a Priestman now. 2 speed. This one's good. 200. This one's speedy. Wow. 40 speed. Wait, just speed. Okay, 40. Wait, 51. Wait, 51. Stop it. There's a fun game. Okay, you right? Alright. Okay, no. 8. Wait, this one. Okay, no, okay, wait, this one's run. This cost speedy. Arrested. So thank you guys so much. I hope you join it. See you next time. Subscribe.